Bringing you a video while I'm on vacation, but I want to talk about mortgage rates and the Fed fund rate. Keep hearing about Trump wanting to have the Fed fund rate lowered, which would help pay our debt as a country. It would help in a lot of other areas, and it should help bring down mortgage rates. But why is it that last September, when they were lowering the Fed fund rate, mortgage rates started to rise? What's the difference between then and now? And I told everyone back then, I said, don't rely on the Fed cutting rates to mean that mortgage rates are going to drop. And I was actually right. But now I'm saying maybe we should rely on the Fed dropping their rate for mortgage rates to come down. So last July, they said they were going to drop rates, and then the mortgage rates went down for 2 straight months. And in September, when they actually cut rates, mortgage rates went up. So if we have the exact same thing happen this year, let's say in July, they say that they're going to drop their rate, mortgage rates might come down. Maybe they'll wait till September. Either way, I think they'll stay down because there's a lot of other things happening in the market. Unemployment continues to rise. Inflation is much lower. So those things should keep our mortgage rates down along with the Fed fund rate coming down. So 2026 should be much better when it comes to housing, and all this inventory that's been building up will be perfect because then all these buyers come in with lower rates and they have properties to buy. Unlike in 2020 and 2021 where there were no properties to buy, therefore values skyrocketed. We should have a healthy market in 2026, a balanced market. Don't listen to all the naysayers saying, oh my God, there's too much inventory, there's gonna be a crash. No, as soon as rates come down, there won't be a crash. 2008 was an anomaly. Way too many factors going on all at once, massive oversupply, massive fraud, etc., etc. Mortgage rate out. Either way, I think they'll stay down because there's a lot of other things happening in the market. Thanks.